Hello, it's Rick Bo. I'm coming to you from underneath my motorhome. I'm going to attempt to do this differential oil change. It's a 2003 model. I don't know if it's ever been done before, but I'm gonna do it the easy way. Instead of pulling this cover off and having to reseal it because it doesn't show to have any leaks in it, I'm gonna use this little hand pump to get the oil out, and then I'll just use a funnel to put it back in. Okay, let's remove this drain plug. Doesn't have any kind of a magnet or anything on it. Let's see what the fluid looks like. Not all that dirty, but it looks pretty thin. That's liable to be the original oil. Okay, let's see if we can't get this oil out of there. Hopefully this thing still works. Okay. There we go. This is basically the way we do it at the Chrysler dealership I work at, except we've got electric pumps and makes it a little bit easier. But this seems to be working pretty good. I just got this motorhome. Well, it's been a year now, but we've used it quite a bit. But I just don't know when the services have been done. I did the transmission service and changed the engine oil, and I've got a video on putting a new generator in it, so I know it's good. Because I've got just a little bit over 5 months before I retire, so I'm trying to get this thing all in good shape. Okay, I think I got it all out. It seems to be at the bottom. Here comes a little bit more. I got quite a bit out. Okay, we're going to use the pump that we took it out with to put it back in. I think that'll be a lot easier. Let me pump a little bit through here, make sure we get all the old stuff out. And we see the pretty green fluid. We'll know we got down to the good stuff. There, I think we got the good stuff now. Okay, it's kind of got a green color to it. So now we just pump it back in there until we start dribbling out of the fill hole. Oh shoot. When I have more time, I'll pull that cover off and check everything over good, but we're going on a trip this weekend. I just give me some peace of mind knowing it's got good fluid in it. And I know it's still mixed in with a little bit of the old fluid because this doesn't get it all out, but it'd be better than what it was. This thick fluid's not too easy to pump. But that fluid, it lubricates the wheel bearings too. So not only is it helping the differential, but it's helping the wheel bearings. Oh. Okay. I see it dribbling out now. See that pretty green fluid? We'll let it dribble out a minute. I don't want to overfill it. Okay, I've let it drip till it's just barely dripping. Now I'll put the fill plug back in. Okay, that about does it for the oil change, the differential fluid change. It gives me some peace of mind.